So in this video we are going to discuss about the special operators in the Python. So what are the special operators are there which are available in the Python? So the first is identity operator. There are two type of special operator are there. First is identity operator and second one is the membership operators. So identity operator is nothing but which are going to be identifies whether this is a value or not, and membership is just to check whether this item is the part of the whole object or not. So I will explain each and every special operators in the details. So first is identity operators. So identity operator is having the is or is not. Okay, this is going to compare with the address. Okay, suppose first is and is not. If a is a, it means true. A is not a, that is false, right? How it's possible, let's see. So suppose that there are two objects are there, right, and then both of the objects are pointing the same object, same address. In that case both are the is condition is satisfied. If both object address is not correct, not same, in that case is operator will not be satisfied. Okay, so in this example I'm going to show you the how it's possible. Okay, so suppose that in the special operator is and is not is the identity operator, and membership operator is nothing but a in and not in. Okay, so identity operator, suppose that a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 10, right? Both value are the same, right? If I'm going to take, if I want to check the address of the uh, value of a and b, so id, right, id is keywords which are going to be used to find out the address. So address of the a, address of the b, if you see that both have the address are the same, right? In that case both are the identical object. In that case if I'm going to be print a is b, that is the true, right? So if I'm going to print a is b, that is identical, that is become a true, right? If x is equal to true and y is equal to true, it means that both of the address are the same. It means that x is y is true, correct? If I'm going to print this, then both are the object are pointing the same address and both are the object are identical. So in that case this become a true. And similarly opposite of the is not, if I'm going to check is not, so that is become a opposite of that, that become a false, right? If you see that, that is become a false, correct? So I hope this you understand. If address are same, that identity will become a same and that become a true, otherwise it will become a false. Okay, based on the location how we're going to see that. So suppose that a is equal to Dinesh, b is equal to Dinesh, both are the data are same, means address are the same. In that case id of the a and id of the b both are the same, right? So if I'm going to check a is b, whether the a is b are pointing to the same address, it means that that is the correct. So the output of this line of code will become a true, correct? Now coming to the membership operators. So membership operator is nothing but to check whether any item is the part of the object or not. Suppose that we have the data, string data, hello learning Python is very easy. I want to check whether h is the character which is the part of this whole string or not. So h in, right, in is the operator, membership operator. In is to check whether this is the part of the member or not. So h, if it is checked that yeah it is there as a part of the member, this become a true. Just check the d is a part of the member or not. No, this is the not a part of the member of the data. In that case this will become a false, correct? Similarly if you want to check d is not a part, you are checking whether this is not a part of the x or not, yeah this will become a true because this is the opposite of the this line, right? I want to check whether Python is the part of whole data is part of the data or not, yeah it is a part of the data. Now it is become a true. So this in operator is just to check whether this object, this data is a part of the object or not. So this is nothing but membership operator. Similarly a next example is that suppose that we have a list of the items, Sunny, Bunny, Chini. These are the items are there. I want to check whether Sunny is an part of the item of this list or not. Yes, Sunny is a part of that. This become a true. I want to check this one. This is not a part of the item, right? This will become a false. Correct. I just want to check Teeny. This is also not a part of that, but I'm just checking the opposite one, not in. So in this case, it will become a true. Correct. So I hope you understand this special operator in the Python, identity operator and membership operators. Thank you so much for joining this video.